What's up everyone, welcome to Finance with Tony. I'm Tony and here we are sharing some ideas about a frugal lifestyle. I don't do those boring videos about the compounding effect or long-term financial goals. I show you my real life and hopefully you'll find some valuable ideas for your particular circumstances. And recently I made the video about the social problems here in the capital of Siberia, about homelessness, about soap kitchens, and about stereotypes. And as a contrary for this subject, on this subject, I'll show you really briefly the parking near the restaurant that called a bushel. I mean, in Russian it's called Carsharing, but I guess maybe the right translation would be a bushel, like, you know, the bushel in the back, the famous song. It's actually just 2 minutes on foot from this place, from the soap kitchen that I showed you, outdoor soap kitchen in the park, and it's near the circus. Circus is sort of Soviet inheritance, and here's the restaurant that's called Bushel, and here the cars a little bit dirty. Here's the and also BMW car, Land Cruiser, and here's the entrance to this restaurant, and also, of course, huge cars, and this nice bike, three wheels bike, and Range Rover. So there's probably pretty much the case of wealth gap here in the capital of Siberia, and I would say it's the typical aspect of modern society in the former Soviet Union. But of course you'll find easily can find much more expensive cars. I mean, even here in Siberia, but on the spot, I'll guess that would be the right way to prove my point that Siberia has a lot of opportunities, and Novosibirsk has a population of 1.6 million people, and there is no black and white colors. There is always sort of gray, and so I guess that's wealth gap is a really controversial topic, especially for this for territories like this of the former Soviet Union. On the background you can see the circus, sort of inheritance of this communist era. But overall, taking into account that my ancestors used to have been living used to live here in even like 100 years ago, and they had houses constructed by bricks, sorry, and after when communists took over, my ancestors lost their property. I guess overall this territory is really tend to appreciate capitalism and the opportunities of the opportunities of competition, and also yeah, I would say at least after the Berlin Wall fell down. So thanks for coming along, guys. Please remember to subscribe with notifications. Please press thumbs up, and there's only ways to give me the feedback that I do the right things. Have an awesome day. You're rock, and really appreciate you.